So now we are going to see part 2 of the prose My Reminiscence, which is in 8th standard unit 2 term 2. So see the first paragraph. Then we would row back to the landing steps of the villa and seat ourselves on the quilt spread on the terrace facing the river. So I told you, right? So after that in that rainy seasons they used to go for the boating and they used to sing a song, Vaishnava songs, isn't it? So after that they used to go to the place. They would row back, so row back to the landing steps to the villa. So villa means what? House. And seat ourselves on the quilt spread. So quilt means what? Bed. So or bed spread மாதிரி இருக்கும், that is called what? Quilt. So quilt spread on the terrace. So terrace na என்னது? மொட்டை மாடி. So terrace facing the river. So the terrace which was facing the river. So by the silvery peace rested on both land and water, hardly any boats were about. The fringe of trees on a bank was reduced to a deep shadow, and the moonlight glimmered over the smooth flowing stream. So I already told you it was a night time. So during that night time there was a silence, full silence was there. So that place was filled with the silvery peace rested on both land and water. There was no boat, and that places which was filled with trees. So the fringe of trees on the bank was reduced to a deep shadow. So from that trees they have a nice shadow, and the moonlight glimmered over the smooth flowing stream. So that moonlight அப்படியே moonlight வந்து அந்த ஸ்ட்ரீம்ல வந்து அப்படியே வந்து glimmered means what? Shining. So the villa we were living in was known as Maron's Garden. So the villa, so what was the name of that villa? Maron's Garden. A flight of stone flagged steps led up from the water to a long broad veranda which formed part of the house. So if they want to step into that, they want to walk on the stone flagged steps. So அந்த படிட்டு எப்படி இருக்கும், which has a stone. So stone flagged steps led up from the water to the long broad veranda. So that steps which led him to the long veranda. So veranda was there inside the house. That veranda was very big in size. That is a part of the house. So part of the house என்னது, அந்த ஹவுஸ்லேயே பாதி இடத்த வந்து அந்த வரண்டா வந்து அடைச்சிக்குதுன்னு சொல்கிறாங்க. The rooms were not regularly arranged, nor all on the same level, and some had to be reached by short flights of stairs. ஸோ த ரூம்ஸ் வேர் நாட் ரெகுலர்லி அரேஞ்ச்டு. ஸோ அந்த ரூம்ஸ் வந்து ரெகுலராக அரேஞ்ச் ஆகாமல் அப்படியே கச்சமுச்சான்னு இருக்கும். அப்படி இல்லைனா வந்து இட் வாஸ் நாட் இன் த ஈக்குவல் சைஸ். So it was not regularly arranged, and also not in the same level. So all the rooms was not built in the same levels, and some had to reached by short flight of stairs. So if you want to step into some other rooms, you want to use some stairs. So stairs தானது குட்டி குட்டி படிக்கட்டு ஸ்டெப்ஸ் மாதிரி இருக்கும். The big sitting room overlooking the landing steps had stained glass windows with a colored picture. So in one room, so sitting room was there. In that room they had a stained glass windows. So stained glass windows with colored picture. So see, so this is called what? Glass pictures. So this is like this in one room. So I told you, right, sitting room. So in that big sitting rooms they had a stained glass window with a colored picture. So like this they had some pictures in that colored that glass. One of the pictures was of a swing hanging from a branch half hidden in a dense foliage, and in the checkered light and shade of this bower 2 persons were swinging and there was another of a broad flights of steps leading into some castle-like palace up and down with men and women in festive garb were going and coming. So I told you right in that big sitting rooms, some stained and the glass windows were there. So in that one, two pictures was there. So one of the pictures was of a swing hanging. So swing என்னது ஊஞ்சல். So see this picture. So that swing, so ஒரு ஊஞ்சல் மாதிரி இருக்கு. So அது எங்க இருக்குன்னா in a dense foliage. So dense foliage என்னது forest. ஸோ ஒரு ஃபாரஸ்ட்டில் ஒரு ஸ்விங் இருக்குது. அந்த ஸ்விங் வந்து அண்ட் இன் த செக்கர்டு லைட் அண்ட் ஷேடோ ஆஃப் திஸ் போவர். ஸோ போவர்னால் என்னதுன்னா, ஸோ அது வந்து அப்படியே அந்த அந்த பூக்களால் நிறைஞ்ச இடம், அதுதான் என்னதுன்னா போவர். ஸோ see here, ஸோ அந்த பூக்களால் நிறைஞ்சிருக்கு. ஸோ நடுவில் வந்து ஸ்விங் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதுதான் என்னது போவர். ஸோ லைக் திஸ். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு பிக்சர் வந்து அங்கே அந்த அந்த கிளாஸ் விண்டோவில் வச்சுருக்காங்க. Second, two persons were swinging and there was another. So அந்த ஸ்விங்கில் வந்து two persons were singing on that. And this is the first picture. Second one was another of a broad flight of steps leading into some castle-like palace up and down with men and women in a festive garb were going and coming. So in second pictures, another one picture is there. In that picture, some so many members were there. They were wearing a ஃபெஸ்டிவ் காப். ஸோ ஃபெஸ்டிவ் காப்னா என்னதுன்னா, நம்ம பண்டிகையில் நம்ம பல ஜகஜோதியாக வந்து ட்ரெஸ்லாம் போட்டுட்ருப்போம். ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி வந்து தே ஆல்சோ வியர் சம் ஃபெஸ்டிவ் காப். ஸோ காப்னா என்னது clothes. So in a very grand manner they wore that dress. So festive garb, and they were coming and going. So when the light fell on the windows, these pictures shone wonderfully. So yeah, during daytime and night time, when the light fell on that window, so these picture shine. So shone means what? Past tense of shine, isn't it? So it shine, so shone wonderfully, seeming to fill the riverside atmosphere with the whole holiday music. So it was reflected in that riverside atmosphere, and that pictures were reflected, and it was wonderful to see that during the night time. Some far away long forgotten rivalry seemed to be expressing itself in a silent words of light. The love thrills of the swinging couple making alive with their eternal story the woodlands of the river bank. ஸோ அதில் இருக்க மென் அண்ட் விமன், அந்த ஃபெஸ்டிவ் காபில் இருக்க மென் அண்ட் விமன்லாம் டியூரிங் த நைட் டைம், ஸோ அவங்களுக்குலாம் அப்படியே உயிரோடு இருக்கிற மாதிரி அவங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஃபீலிங். ஸோ தட் த லவ் த்ரில்ஸ் ஆஃப் த ஸ்விங்கிங் கப்பல் மேக்கிங் அலைவ் வித் தர் எட்டர்னல் ஸ்டோரி. ஸோ it was very lively. So it was very lively, and that places were filled with some some great things. The topmost room of the house was in the round tower with windows opening to every side. So see here, so this is the structure of that room. So the topmost, so in that house has so many first ground, second ground, third ground, like that. It has so many things in that. He was lived in the topmost room of the house, and that was the round tower. So ஒரு கோபுரம் மாதிரி இருக்கிற ஒரு இடத்துல வந்து it has windows, and also windows opening to every side. So see here, 1 2 3 4 windows are there. So that was opening to every side. So this I used as my room for writing poetry. So in that room only he used to write his poetry. Who? Rabindranath Tagore, isn't it? Nothing could be seen from thence saving the tops of the surroundings trees and the open sky. So from there you can see nothing but the trees and flowers and only the nature things only you can see. Other things you are not able to see anything. So I was then busy with the evening songs, and of this room I wrote. So you during the evening during evening times he was very busy with his writings. So I was then busy with the evening songs, and of this room I wrote. There were in the breast of limitless space clouds are laid to sleep. I have built my house for thee, O poesy. So he started to write. So he started to write his evening song like this. There were in the breast of limitless space, clouds are laid to sleep. I have built my house for thee, O poesy. So like this, he started and he ends this prose. So this is the reminiscence. The reminiscence is recollecting everything. I told you, isn't it? So it was written in his 50th year. So the differentiation is there. So in those days they had a very peaceful and very joyable life, because in those days there was no pollution, no air pollution, no noise pollution. They got a very fresh air. So but now that green places were replaced by mills and factories. So we are polluting the land as well as we are polluting ourselves, isn't it? So now we are not able to get fresh air and fresh oxygen, so we are not able to get anything. And so we are polluting our land. So that only you wanted to express, express from this prose. I hope this is very useful for you. So please read line by line, then only you can understand this prose very clearly. So thank you students. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.